Hey everybody, I'm Jason's Weather Center Chief Meteorologist Kim Nellis here with a weather chat update, currently talking about Hurricane Irma and how it's going to be impacting us back here at home. The details for you coming up. Here's a cool radar image showing Irma currently moving through the Caribbean. Here is an animation, and it's currently moving in a westerly direction at this point, and very intense rain down that way, and going to be bringing us rather high totals of rain down in that area. And we'll go into that in just a moment. But here is the current track on it. It's going to be moving into the Florida Keys as we go into the day on Saturday. And then by the time we get to Sunday, moving into the southern tip of Florida, and then going to be pushing its way towards the northern half of Florida by Monday, and then into the Atlanta area also by the end of the day on Monday as well. And as we go into Tuesday, though, we'll be arriving into the Tennessee area, and then into Wednesday, around that time, going to be seeing it moving into our area with the impacts of some showers and thunderstorms for our area throughout next week. More on that here in just a moment. So in further detail of this, it's currently moving west at 12 miles an hour. 155-mile-an-hour winds have been reported within this hurricane, and it's currently a Category 5 at this point in time. And so very intense hurricane going on in that area. In fact, the National Weather Service has already said it is no longer safe for people to be in the Florida Keys area, and have already said that they need to evacuate if they haven't done so now. There still is time. However, that time is going to be rather limited as we go into the day on Saturday. So, and very intense rain headed that direction as well. So the winds, earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds, currently points out as we go into the day on Saturday, going to be hitting Florida Keys, southern tip of Florida Keys there as we go later in the day on Saturday and into Sunday. By then, going to be seeing it in northern Florida, going to be seeing some of those higher winds by the end of the day on Sunday and Monday. Morning, Atlanta area, going to be seeing some of those tropical storm force winds by then. So that is the lineup for that at this point in time. And that, well, really, even the track as well can definitely change as we continue to move throughout time, throughout the weekend and next week. So we'll continue to be watching that track. So please stay tuned for updates on that. So rainfall totals at this point in time, noticing the higher amount total is going to be in the Florida Keys. 20 inches of rain expected for that area, and that's why the National Weather Service is saying that definitely people need to be evacuating that area as soon as possible, as it's going to be getting a very intense amount of rain down that way. And then as you go into the southern tip of Florida, noticing around anywhere from 15 inches of rain, and then as you go further north, more like 10 inches of rain. Going to be very hard to get anything below that unless you go a little bit to the west there of that higher total range there, and you might be lucky to get anywhere from 6 inches or lower on that. So and also some areas of Atlanta also going to be in the line of anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of rain. So very intense rain down in that direction. So definitely going to be seeing some flooding within that hurricane. So lots to watch there. So stay tuned for more updates as we go throughout the weekend and throughout next week. So otherwise for us back here at home, we're currently seeing temperatures in the lower 60s and upper 50s. Across the area, going to be dropping down to the lower mid-50s for that overnight low tonight. We are expecting a dry weekend ahead. Cooler temperatures the next 7 days. Steady humidity levels also expected. We're going to be under the clear skies for tonight. We're going to be seeing overnight lows in the mid-50s. Expecting our daytime high tomorrow in the lower 80s. Sunny and warm. And as we go throughout the next 7 days, we are expecting dry weather through Monday, and then Hurricane Irma impacting our area by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Biggest rain chance going to be on Tuesday as that track moves into our direction off of the impacts of Irma there. And then once we get through Thursday, we're going to be seeing drier weather expected with a few clouds left behind. Temperatures going to be otherwise remaining in the 70s, a few upper 60s here and there, though, as we go throughout the next 7 days.